What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you saw in the title for today's video, we're going to be cash stuffing our March 2nd paycheck. Over here I have $335 that we're going to be cash stuffing into our binders. If you guys are new here, I'm a 20-year-old cash stuffer and budgeter working a part-time job while also a full-time college student. I work at a seafood restaurant as a host, a busser, making $17 an hour plus tips. And we're going to be cash stuffing today, and I'm going to be cash stuffing my saving challenges on a different video like I always do. I also did post budgeting this paycheck as a YouTube short, so if you're interested in seeing that, just go on the shorts. It should be one of the recent ones. But you can also follow me on TikTok. It'll be in the description, where I usually post more behind the scenes and also a lot of finance related TikToks. So if you also have TikTok, make sure to follow me on there. But like I said, we have $335 that we're going to be cash stuffing into our binders. So we're going to count this money first. I still have my red envelope, of course. All right. So in 20s, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, so 280. We mostly have 20s today because most of my 50s are going into my saving challenges. So 280. In 10s, we have 10 and 20. So only 2 10s today. And we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. So $35. So we have $335, which is the right amount. Let's get started. We're gonna start off with our bills per usual. I also just came back from Puerto Rico, so I came back to a paycheck. I've also been getting paid from my side hustles, which is UGC. But I'm basically just using that money and investing it to getting better products to make my videos. I just got a new vlogging camera. Sorry, I just got a new vlogging camera that I'm excited to use. So first off is our car insurance, which is going to be getting $65. 20, 40, 60, and 5. $65. And that's all car insurance has. I already paid my insurance for this month, so we're gonna be good on time. But I did get a vlogging camera, so I'm excited to start using that and posting different contents for you guys. I also did post a Puerto Rico travel day vlog, but it was nothing special. Next up is our gas, which is gonna get $55. 20, 40, 50, and 5. So $55 in gas, and that's all it's gonna get. And that's all it has. Gas has been going up like crazy. So hopefully 55 is enough, because that's all we have right now. All right, but that's that for our bills. Next up is our high priority fund. Let's see. First off is our emergency fund, which is gonna get $40. 20 and 40. So $40 getting added. Now our emergency fund has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, and $190. 190 in our emergency fund. I don't know when I should start putting money into my high yield savings account. I think I'm gonna do every $200 and just send it to my emergent high yield savings account just so I can get some interest for that month. But next up is our college fund, which is gonna get $40, 20, and 40. Now our college fund has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 180, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So $185 in our college fund. I am taking 3 summer classes, but I haven't gotten the bill for that yet. So I'm not sure how much I'm gonna have to pay. But last summer I took 3 and I actually got a refund check back. So I'm hoping for that again, so I can just roll this over for my fall bill, which is usually like $2,000. But next up is our savings, which is gonna get $45, 20, 40, and 5. Now our saving has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, and 195. $195. Next up is our travel, which is gonna get $20. As you guys know, I just traveled to Puerto Rico. It was the best time ever, and I want to go back now, but I'm not going back for a while. But travel now has $20. Next up is our car maintenance, which is gonna get $20. 20. Now our car maintenance has 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15. So $115 in our car maintenance. Next up is our Roth IRA, which is gonna get $20. So now our Roth IRA has $70. I actually need to put this money into the bank account so I can invest it. I currently have like 150, 170 around there in my Roth IRA. Also, I use Fidelity, for anyone wondering. Let me know if you also use Fidelity. I kind of want to know how you guys like it. I mean, I don't really have an issue with it, but let me know if there's anything better out there, because there's always has to be something better. Lastly is our moving out, which is going to get $20. Our moving out has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 135, 140, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So $145 in our moving out. As you guys know, I am moving out in June 1st. I'm gonna be moving into my college house with some of my friends, and I'm actually excited to vlog that. That's also a reason why I got the camera, and also because I was running out of storage on my phone, so I couldn't really record that much. I had a lot of content ideas in Puerto Rico to post on YouTube, but I just couldn't. Like, I didn't have storage. I could barely take pictures. Videos would have been even worse. So I just decided to enjoy my trip instead and not really be focused on just recording. But there is more trips coming up, so maybe I'll turn into a travel influencer. Imagine just traveling for free. That would be great. But next up is our gifts envelope, which is going to get $5. Now my gifts have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and $60. $60 in our gifts. Next up is our entertainment, which is only going to get $5. I took out what I had in this and used it for Puerto Rico. So we're going to build it back up. It wasn't really a lot anyways, but $5 in our entertainment. All right, and I'm pretty sure that is going to do it. So that is going to do it for today's video, cash stuffing our funds. I am going to post my cash stuffing saving challenges on a different video, so stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for coming along to cash stuff with me. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe down below, comment your ideas, and just say hello. I'll reply. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and weekend, and I will see you guys on my next video. Ciao.